In this video we look at closures, a powerful Python feature where a function carries a memory of the place it was born. A closure is simply an inner function that holds on to variables from its outer function even after that outer function has finished running. Here is our example. We have an outer function called multiplier and an inner function called mul. Let's walk through it together. On line 6 we call multiplier with the value 2. Python creates a new call frame and binds the name n to the object 2 inside that frame. Python now defines the inner function mul as an object. Crucially, mul captures n from the enclosing scope and holds on to it. Then multiplier returns mul and its own frame is gone. The name double now points to that mul function object, complete with its saved value of n equal to 2. When we call double of 5, mul runs and returns 5 times 2, which is 10. Running the program prints 10, exactly as we traced. The closure remembered n equals 2 long after multiplier had returned. Remember, a closure is an inner function bundled together with the variables it needs from outside. That surviving memory is what makes decorators and many other Python patterns possible.